up tonight. This brother has sacrificed, not for himself, but the entire industry in Mbarara. Kacheche sawa je tugenda kola chi. Tugenda kufa. You ready to start this party? You ready to start this party? Colin, let's do the countdown as you bring in. Drop it. Massive. We come from NBS TV, NBS After 5, Papa Party, Dvj Massive Pro, and we are here to represent for our brother, MC Kacheche. Now let me tell you something quick before I bring him in, yeah? If you didn't turn up tonight, this brother has sacrificed, not for himself, but the entire industry in Mbarara. Kacheche sawa je tugenda kola chi. Tugenda kufa. You ready to start this party? You ready to start this party? Colin, let's do the countdown as you bring in. They count.
Don't wait for permission. Just do it now. My name is MC Kacheche. And I am in Western Uganda. And I am made in Ankole, City. Knowing who you are starts with knowing where you come from. We are the now and the future. We know that we live in a world that offers us endless possibilities. We will continue to believe in only one God and still stick to the roots and norms of our culture. And if they ask you how we made it, tell them we only know one way to do it. Don't wait for permission. Just do it now. My name is MC Kacheche, and I am man in Mbarara, Uganda. My name is Kacheche, and I am made in Ankole, City.
Selecta, kuluta ninga hale kale. Nina mani, noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani. Nina mani, noza kukakasa ngo nina mani.